Okay, so I decided to take and redo it. So you remember the peach pink, right? The peach pink wig. So we're going to take some Ritz in the color Graphic and the 91% alcohol, and we're going to color this. So let's get and pour this. Okay, so we're going to pour. I'm going to go ahead and use the whole bottle. And I use a whole bottle of 91% alcohol. Look at that. Look at that. And we're going to come back. We're about to take her and dip her in there. Okay? And you want to use gloves because, of course, you don't want your hands staining. That good soak. Soak her up. And, of course, a bowl you're not going to use anymore because, no, I'm not going to use this bowl again. Okay? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It looks black. It looks black. It looks black. It looks black. So you're going to let that sit. Add the water. And let it dry overnight. And I'll be back. Ooh. So, it's the next day. It's all dry and everything. Now look at it. Isn't this cute? Okay, so this is how it came out. This is how it came out. That peach pink dulled down really good. It looks like, you have a little streaks of gray, some of the purple. I added the concealer to darken the roots. Can you see that? So, see if I can get a little darker so you can see it. Yes, look at that. Look at that. So, I will be back. Okay, so kind of darken it down so you can see the color. I took and I added, some little bangs. Like I said, this came out cute. It dulled down that pink peach, color. Now a little lighter, a little duller pink with grays and a little purple, what have you. But I used the Ritz dye, the Graphite. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I took that, used the 91% alcohol, put it in a bowl, put a cup of hot water. I let it sit there about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And I took it out and washed it and hung it up, to air dry. And this is the result. So, if you have those bright color, units and you want to dull it down, of course, there's hundreds of videos, on YouTube that shows how to dye the synthetic wigs. But now I can just rock this, okay? I can rock it for sure. And the little baby bangs are still up in there. I didn't cut those off. I left it so I can always brush it back and, and put my little baby bangs. But thank you for watching. And as always, if you're new, welcome. Let me see. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you won't miss a thing for when I'm, whatever reviews, DIYs, hauls, or what have you that comes out. And as always, have a what? A wiggalicious day. Mwah. Bye, everyone. My new beauty. I'm about to hit the streets.